NoSql, which stands for Not Only SQL, is a term used to describe a broad category of database systems that differ from traditional relational database management systems, RDBMS, in their data model, scalability, and flexibility. NoSql databases are designed to handle large volumes of unstructured or semi-structured data and provide high availability, scalability, and performance for modern applications and use cases. Key characteristics of NoSql databases include non-relational data model, horizontal scalability, schema flexibility, high availability and fault tolerance, specialized use cases, eventual consistency. At the end of this video, I want to say that I appreciate your likes, comments, shares, and subscriptions. Please support us by subscribing to our channel so that we can make more informative videos for you. Share, likes, and add comments on this video. Thanks a lot.
Thanks for watching. For more informative videos, please subscribe our channel Web AI 360.